Whether you're working in tight spaces, connecting rigid or flexible wires, or just looking for a quicker, easier way to work, the In-Sure lever connector range is the obvious choice. By utilizing the latest connection technologies, they can accommodate multiple wires of different types and sizes up to 2.5mm squared. 2, 3 and 5 port models are available. Use the built-in wire strip guide to check the correct stripping length. For solid wire, there's no need to lift the levers, just strip your wire and push it in. For flex, simply lift the lever, insert the conductor and clamp into place. No screwdriver, no crimping, just easy installation and reliable, safe connections. What's more, In-Sure lever connectors have been designed with additional features that improve safety and aid installation. Their compact design means they take up very little space in junction boxes and enclosures, whilst the clear housing allows you to quickly check that each individual conductor is inserted fully and making proper contact. Additionally, a check port gives you convenient access for continuity testing. And if your installation changes, you can easily remove your wires and reuse the connector elsewhere. In-Sure lever connectors can be used in a wide range of applications, including lighting and access control, where space is often limited and multiple conductors need to come together. In fact, most jobs where you may have used strip connectors or terminal blocks in the past. In-Sure lever connectors also bear the internationally recognized ENEC mark, demonstrating compliance with stringent European safety standards. As a consequence, they are fully compliant with the 17th edition wiring regulations in the UK. They're the simplest and fastest way to join solid, rigid or flexible conductors. Safe, secure connections every time. Visit wire-connectors.com to find your local distributor.